Tita.
Hi, Tito.
Eating
What are you eating?
sandwich.
Sandwich.
I want some more.
Oh, you want some more? That's very yummy.
And the actor.
That's very yummy.
And the leg actor.
You don't like what? Sorry, honey?
And the leg actor.
Umandar na talaga ang pagkabuntis ni atin, you guys. Like, seriously, I am now craving for food.
Yeah, shake the bum. Shake the bum.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Tuesday, everyone. It is currently 1:18 ng hapon, guys. And you know what? Today, sobrang late namin nagising ni Baby Paris kasi kagabi, meron siyang lagnat. So, late na namin siyang nadala sa childcare and all. So, kakauwi lang namin, guys. And, you know what? Oh my God. Umandar na talaga ang pagkabuntis ni atin, you guys. Like, seriously, I am now craving for food. That's why umalis kami kanina kasi gustong bumili ni Daddy Mike ng lunch niya sa labas. Pero ako guys, hindi talaga ako nagpatalo kasi 'di ba yesterday pumunta kami ng Springvale Asian Market, tapos bumili ako ng isda. And ewan ko guys, gustong-gusto ko talagang magsabaw. And naghahanap ako ng malunggay. Unfortunately, wala silang malunggay dito guys, kaya hindi ko alam kung ano yung ilalagay ko sa aking sabaw. However, yun talaga yung gusto kong kainin ngayon, guys. Nabubuang na talaga ang buntis, guys. I don't know, guys, no? Bakit merong mga ganyan cravings kapag buntis ka? Sometimes, like, kahit gusto mong i-change yung mind mo sa gusto mong kainin para hindi ka mahirapan, it's impossible talaga, guys. Like, yun talaga yung gusto kong kainin. Kaya, yun, nag-init na ako ng tubig. And then, yung isda natin, kasi frozen siya, guys. So, hindi siya singsarap nung fresh na isda. Alam niyo yun, guys. But, oh well, you know, like I can't complain. I'm happy I've got fish and yeah, that's what I'm cooking now. And earlier pala may dumating, ayan, yung mga dress na in-order ko online for, I don't know, months na yata ko na to siyang in-order, pero ngayon lang dumating. And now that I am pregnant, I don't know if I'll actually fit in these dresses. Dalawa yung binili ko, guys. Hindi pa naman masyadong malaki yung tiyan ni ate nyo, guys, no? But, yeah, I'm hoping masuot ko pa rin to siya before lumubo talaga ang ating tiyan. We've got another one. Very floral, guys. Sobrang summer. Summer vibes. Ayan. Maxi dress to siya. Hindi nyo makita yung beauty niya, guys, hanggang hindi ko siya masuot. But, yeah. Punta lang tayo ng kitchen para makapagluto na tayo, guys, kasi gutom na ako. So, diba kahapon, nagluto ako ng crab kasi nag-crave din ako ng ginataang alimasag, guys. And then, last night, nakalimutan ko siyang ilagay sa bowl, tapos ilagay sa fridge, kaya naiwan siya sa labas. Ngayon, hindi ko na siya kakainin kasi natatakot ako, guys, kasi diba pag yung pagkain may mga gata, most likely, napapanis sila ng quickly. Kaya nasayangan ako, guys. Anyways, parang hindi ko na rin siya type ngayon. Like, yung tiyan ko ba, parang ayaw niya na rin ng limasag. Bakit ang arte-arte, guys, no? Kapag buntis, bakit kaya ganun? I'm not normally like this, guys. And, and also pala, pumunta kami ng shops kanina. And then, nagbili ako ng onion, spring onion, ayan, para sa ating sabaw. And then, kinailangan ko ng ginger. So, ngayon, pumunta kami doon sa coast. Tapos, sabi nila, wala daw silang ginger for 2 months now. Buti na lang merong Asian shop doon malapit. And have a look, ang aking binili. Hala, sobrang liit, guys. Because you know what? Yung kilo nito was $50. $50 isang kilo ng luy. Kaya yan na lang yung binili ko, guys. 40 pesos for this. Kasi sabi ko, isang lutuan lang naman. Ayaw kong bilhin ng yung malaki talaga kasi masasayang ba? Magda-dry out lang yan siya. Tapos, ayan, meron tayong red onion. Lalagay din natin. And then, may rice pa naman tayo from yesterday, guys. Yan yung pares natin sa ating sabaw. Mabilis lang naman tong sabaw, guys. Especially isda siya, so hindi siya yung buto-buto talaga na matagal mag-soften. So, yeah. Magluluto muna ako, guys, ha? Speak to you soon. Time check tayo, guys. It's now 2 o'clock ng hapon. And finally, naluto na ang ating gustong kainin. Have a look. So, I've got my rice. I've also got my tinulang isda. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. Tapos, alam nyo, guys, yung pinakagustong part ko sa isda is yung ulo. Ayan. May mga buto-buto ba? Hindi ba kita, guys? Ayan. That's it. And then, while I'm eating lunch, guys, ang ating Daddy Mike ay, ayan, nag-work pa, oh. Pero, let's check Netflix kung merong mga bagong Filipino movies na hindi pa natin napanood. I think napanood ko na lahat to, guys. I'll probably watch, Christmas movie. Let's see.
You could probably get like one on YouTube, it's a new one. Did you go in the
We're
bus
here
today?
na, guys. Pick up
Did you?
natin ang ating baby girl. Sobrang maulan. Tingnan nyo, oh. It's pouring. Paris,
Where's
is
your
it
water bottle?
pouring? Oh, get your water bottle, anak. You hold it. Yung guys, oh. Ito yung snacks nila tonight. Meron silang, avocado sandwich. Mula mo raman di ay. Kaya di ganahan mo kaon, ani. Yay!
Come on.
Use your hand, anak, to open it.
Use your hand. Not your teeth. Okay. Come on, let's go.
No, Paris, ah.
Hey, give that Paris. Paris is on me.
Say hi, everyone. Say hi, Tita, sa here.
Hi, Tita.
Hi, Tito.
Eating
What are you eating?
sandwich.
Sandwich.
I want some more.
Oh, you want some more? That's very yummy.
And the actor.
That's very yummy.
And the leg actor.
You don't like what? Sorry, honey?
And the leg actor.
You don't like kado? Oh, careful, anak. Ay, pagtulo-tulo.
What's it called?
It's okay. Mama will throw it away. Yang kunit-kunit ra ang bread, guys. Ayun yung kainin yung avocado. Ah, liwat kasi mong mama na.
Oh, Daddy.
Yeah, go, let's go. Go, Daddy's gone.
The same.
Safe.
How many fish na?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How many yellow fish?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's about 6. Let's go.
Hey, Daddy! Look at the small one.
That's a very small one.
Paris, Paris.
Hey, Daddy.
There's 6 fishies.
Yeah, Daddy.
Paris, Paris.
Hey, Daddy.
Let's go to the car.
Let's go, cause someone's waiting.
I'm ready.
Yeah, someone's waiting. Go, Daddy. Run to Daddy.
Daddy!
Makabutswana ang ating anak tonight. Sobrang cold, guys. Summer na summer. Hi, guys. It's now 6:25 ng gabi. Nakauwi na kami. Ang ating baby girl ay nandiyan nanonood ng kanyang Blippi. At ngayon, nakasalang na ang ating, guys, hapunan habang naghihintay. Kasi malapit ng Pasko, guys. Kaya, ayan, kailangan natin i-wrap ang mga ito. So, ito yung binili ko para sa lola ni Daddy Mike. Ayan. So, pajama set siya, guys. Sobrang ganda niya. Tapos, ito yung sa mama ni Daddy Mike. Ayan. So, ayan, dalawa sila. Sobrang ganda ng cloth niya, guys. Very comfortable. Allah, excuse me. You right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Bilaukan ang ating Daddy Mike. Nak, alin na help, mami na! Bukas, may gagawin pa tayong guys, like Christmas shopping. Kasi meron pang ibang mga tao na hindi pa namin nabilhan ba. Yung family na hindi pa nabilhan ng Christmas gift. Tapos, di ba, titipon-tipon kami sa, Pasko. Hello, princess. What happened to your boots? What happened to your boots?
No.
She took it off already. Good girl. What are you watching?
Tito Blippi eggs.
Tito Blippi eggs? Do you love Tito Blippi?
Yes.
Your shoes, that's dirty. Don't cuddle your shoes. That's very dirty. There's germs. Oh,
No.
Allah. You get sick. You want to go to the doctors?
No. Yuck.
Yeah, that's why. Give it to mommy.
No. Yuck. It's nothing too.
Tell me about your day now. But you had a good day at school?
No. No.
La, ayaw, anak, anak. Ibuhok kayo na.
It's mom.
What is wrong? Did mama smack you? Did mommy smack you? No, true. Kiss na lang mama. Did you have fever last night?
No.
You did have a fever last night.
I'm Didi, mommy.
Dance.
Shake your bum.
Yeah, shake the bum. Shake the bum. Shake.
Oh, sit down, please. Okay.
Yeah. Naharap ako.
Come ahead, mommy. Go and pick it down.
Oh, sit down ako.
What? Mommy's gonna show sound on the video. Like this. Right. Show sound down.
Don't like what?
Why?
Don't like your best.
What is it?
The best.
A little
Alright.
bit. A little bit.
Santa's watching.
I want the pet.
Oh. Uh-oh. Come on.
No, some more.
I'm gonna brush the hair for Santa. Look. So Santa, I'm pink cow. So. Wait. Show Santa, I'm pink cow. Very good.
Good girl. Good girl.
What's that, mommy?
Yes, I'll smack your arm if you're naughty. Okay?
It's not you.
No, you can smack mommy. Mommy will smack you.
Okay.
Okay. Come on, take this one, be.
No one smack me.
Be okay. Mama will smack you. Mommy smack you.
No.
Come on, get up here then.
No, not snack.
Come on, it's 8 o'clock na, anak. Okay, ready
Mommy
for bed.
won't snack me. There's not there.
More?
Not there.
Where? Here?
Where's fast?
Harder?
Yes. Fast.
Come look at your face, ako. Are you gonna be an ate? Ate? Paris? Are you ate Paris? Hindi na ka magsuknak. Nala kayo manghud. Wala! Paris na naman yung manghud. Would you like a brother or sister? Brother or sister?
I get poos. Poo-poos.
What would you like, brother or sister?
Get you. Mommy, get a banana.
What are you doing?
What's here, Mommy? Look.
What are you doing?
I'm supposed to miss that.
Tell Tita what you're doing. Yeah.
I'm watching, Mommy.
Watching?
Yes.
Watching what?
Cat.
Cat. It's a cat. Show Tita B. Dito the cat. Here. Paris is watching the cat. Do you like cat, no? Are you a cat? What's the sound of the cat, B?
Meow.
Meow. Hi guys, it's nearly 9 o'clock ng gabi. Ayan, naka-toothbrush na kami pero hindi pa ako nakapaghilamos guys. Ang ating baby girl ay nabihisan ko na. Kasi papatulog na natin yan siya. Nak mo? Excuse me! Is mama okay? Is mama okay? Is mama okay? Anyways guys, maraming salamat for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. And yes, mga bago nating mga subscribers, welcome. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And now, what's wrong? I'm just going to do a quick shout out guys. And the first shout out goes to Evelyn G. Kuta from California, Lolita La Cuesta, Sally Saminiano from Bicol, Eduardo Cabual. Shout out to Brenda Osorio. And also shout out daw sa kanyang daughter. Birthday daw sa December 23. Happy birthday. Shout out to M. Torres, Cherry Salazar, Christine Namaya, ng ating baby girl, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. Hala, Yaki. Yay! What's that on the nose? Nagsusukilala na ang ating baby girl kasi gusto na niyang bedtime story. Sige na, magbabay na si Mama, be. Magbabay sa si Mama, be. Babay sa si Mama. Shout out to Neneng Estimo from Switzerland. Cecil Regalado. Shout out to Gina Clark. Marilyn Achivar. Revelyn Lagitin. Daya Magallanes. Ritz Cape. Gigi and Laika Vlogs. Naomi Hanerol, and Tan Fam. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also, make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Bye-bye.
look here. Careful.
Bye-bye.
Plain kiss.